Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back on my channel. I'm super happy and excited to see you back. So today we're in Pipette and we're gonna talk about photography, how I do take my pictures, my videos and everything. It's a question I get asked a lot and I finally got the time to do it. Obviously we got a lot of home time, and for all of you that are worried about what the hell am I doing outside, I am in my car and my airplane, and I own the airplane, nobody else is touching it. I don't have to pass in any building to get into here. I pass in between hangars or I take my car right to the airplane. So yeah, basically not seeing anybody. So the first thing that we're gonna see on this video is how I do take my pictures. So I own an Osmo Action that is filming right now. I do have a GoPro that you have up there. It's a GoPro 5. Between the two, I like them both. I stick with my GoPro 5 because I guess the quality is more than enough and she's doing what I ask her to do, and I do a lot of video plus pictures, what the GoPro 7 didn't have, the GoPro 6 either, and I tried the GoPro 7 and I had issues with it. It was overheating, giving me some trouble, shutting down, like not working well. So that's why I got the DJI. I love that camera. It's way more reliable than the GoPro in my opinion. Like it's faster when you press some buttons on everything. It's just react faster. The quality of the colors are pretty great. The sound is a little bit better, I believe, so that's why I shoot on that one. The only downside I don't like about the DJI is obviously they don't have the same shape as the GoPro, so all the equipment I have for the GoPro, I need to buy it again for the DJI. To fix the GoPro, I do have one fixation that goes in any loop, like tie-down loop that you have on the airplane. So on the Cessna goes under the wing pretty good. This one under the wing works too. It's a little bit less fun, I would say, and I put it under the tail for my landing and takeoff, so that works good. The only thing is the one I have is a little bit longer. You have like two of these. So this is made by my Pro GoPro, my GoPro, don't remember, I'm gonna put the link below, those guys that do that. This is FAA approved, so supposedly working in Canada. It's still a gray zone, but they have two options for this. They have this one that is a fully articulated, so you can move this around, turn it. They have the shorter version that doesn't have this, so it's fixed. It's probably a little bit better to put under the tail if you don't trust your landings, because this, even if I fold it that way, still pretty close to the ground when you shoot on this one under the tail. But the fixation that I have on the wing that is screwed into the wing, that works perfectly fine for all my shoot that you can see on my Instagram. Plus the classic one that I have in the dash on top here or here. This type of stuff that you can get on Amazon, or you have little stickers like this one, and you have fixation that you just paste everywhere. You have a round one and a flat one. I don't know if you can see. The round one works great for the dash and everything because it's a bit rounder. The flat one for the roof. Most of, like all my videos, I shoot them in 1080 and with 30 frames sec. It's more than enough for like the video you see, like the vlogging, the daily vlogging or stuff like that. And also on the GoPro, I make her shoot pictures in the same time. Just be careful, the picture you're gonna get if you do this is JPEG, and JPEG, like you want to edit them, it's not good because you don't have enough information. And basically, I'm not gonna go too much in details, but the raw file is a bunch of layers and you can go and pick a certain color or whatever information you want in that layer, when the JPEG is just one flat picture, so you can't go precisely in a layer or color if you want to touch it. They're a bit more grainy and the color is not great. That means I shot them turning a video, or if like this picture for example, it's way better quality, and it's because I didn't, like, it's a raw file, so I could go specifically in the color I wanted to touch, but that's gonna be for a next video if you want to, if you have any questions about that. If you shoot a time-lapse, shoot in RAW, and then you can edit the pictures and have a better quality. And if you want to film and have pictures, it's gonna be JPEG and less good quality. I hope that makes sense for you guys. Then another question I get asked a lot is, how do I record ATC? So ATC, basically I have a cable that goes in the headset, you know, like where you put the headset, you plug your headset, you just put this and then you plug your headset in there. Then the end of the cable is this, and you just need to get this from GoPro. You plug it and you plug this in the GoPro. And I also have a same ATC cable that you can find on Amazon, but with the iPhone. And for the rest, so this is the ND filters, that's selfie stick, I guess, and it makes a tripod as well, so it's pretty handy when you want to shoot outside. So you can use it as a selfie stick, and then you just turn that piece there and up, then you open the feet, and well, it doesn't work really well in the airplane, but you have a tripod, so that's pretty handy. Then, so that's the spot I put the two GoPro. I have extra batteries for the GoPro and the DJI, and how it's organized is just like the GoPro battery, they have numbers on them, and when they're used and that, I just flip them upside down so I know exactly which GoPro battery is full, which one is empty. Okay, so that concludes the video how I shoot my pictures in my video. If you liked it, just smash that like button, and if you want to see more of my adventures, just subscribe, it's free and makes my day. And if you have any questions, just let me know down below and I will answer you as soon as possible, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.